What's the meaning of adzuki? Adzuki. 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 Adzuki, also known as adzuki or adzuki, is a small red bean commonly grown in East Asia. It is often used in sweet and savory dishes such as soups, porridges, and desserts. Adzuki beans are low in fat and high in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients such as iron, potassium, and folate. They have also been shown to have potential health benefits including improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and helping to control blood sugar levels. Overall, adzuki beans are a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes.